Good morning. Welcome to your 10 a.m. daily weather briefing. We have some mostly sunny skies across the region this morning, seeing some cold temperatures as well. DC temperatures below freezing this morning, how rising above freezing, and should see highs in the lower 40s today across the area. That's about 10 degrees below normal this time of year. Not going to see any precipitation or lightning today, and our winds will be below 25 knots. So other than the cold temperatures, good conditions today. Continue to see these cold temperatures across the region for the next few days until it looks like we reach until the weekend before we see possibly a warm up for late in the weekend. So our sounding from this morning, freezing level was at the surface. See our winds out of the northwest around 20 knots, 25 knots, and low levels between 1,000, 3,000 feet, and turning more southwesterly, west southwesterly in general, and up to 64 knots, 25,000 feet. Current surface analysis, we have a weak trough that's going to move through for today. Not going to have any precipitation with that, just a possible increase of a cloud cover this afternoon. We'll have additional trough moving through for Tuesday, but overall, not going to really see much in the way of precipitation, just a slight increase of our cloud cover across the region as we do have in general. Colder, drier air across the region of Canadian origin associated with area high pressure across the region that's going to continue to see give us dry conditions across the area. So taking a look at our satellite imagery from this morning, you can see we do have mostly sunny skies across the region this morning, seeing that cloud cover along the Appalachian Mountains. We'll see some of that start to spill over across the region for later on today. And taking a look at the European model for the next few days, you can see here, in general, good conditions. We'll see that disturbance moving through for Tuesday. Could see a Bay effect snow shower on the very tip of the peninsula tonight, but overall, not in much of the way of precipitation across the region, just in general dry conditions. We'll see a slightly breezy wind once again on Tuesday. Wednesday, we'll see this area high pressure shift off the coast. A strong cold front start to approach for Thursday and moves through on Thursday, giving us a chance of a shower when that cold front does move through. But overall, we'll see very windy, I should just say windy conditions on Thursday. Wind gusts possibly as high as 40, 45 miles an hour across the region, and temperatures in the upper 40s. Then for Friday, we'll see much cooler and cold conditions across the region. Arctic air mass in place from Canada, giving us temperatures only in the 30s for highs, slightly breezy winds, so a cold day for Friday to end out the work week. And in the weekend, we'll see this air mass start to moderate. We'll see another clipper moving north of our region on Saturday, possibly giving us in the northern locations some precipitation, but overall looks like Wallops will stay dry on Saturday. And then for Sunday, it looks like this high moves off the coast, a system starting to get some Gulf moisture or tap into some Gulf moisture across the region of the Mississippi Valley on Sunday, and then possibly moving to our region for early next week. So taking a look at a risk chart for today, we'll see a high today of 42, low tonight of 27. Northwesterly winds 9 to 14 knots, gusts to 19 knots at the peak this afternoon. Then northwest 5 to 10 knots overnight. So green chart across the board, so good conditions other than the chilly temperatures that we're going to see. VFR conditions the next 24 hours, and in general, mostly sunny skies by tomorrow morning. Tides are running normal. Look at Tuesday and Wednesday. Tuesday, mostly sunny, partly cloudy, slightly breezy and chilly. High of 43. Tuesday night, mostly clear and cold, low of 25. And for Wednesday, partly cloudy, mostly sunny and breezy. We'll see a high of 45 degrees. So next 7 days, looking at those temperatures in the lower to mid 40s from now through Wednesday. We'll moderate on Thursday to 50 right before that cold front moves through, but overall, I'm not going to see much in the relief of the chilly temperatures. It will be windy on Thursday, so it won't be feeling much like 50 degrees. And the temperatures will quickly drop after that cold front moves through during the late morning to the early afternoon hours. Then for our Friday, only high in the upper 30s to lower 40s with some breezy conditions, so a cold day on Friday. And then, as I mentioned, Saturday and Sunday looks like our air mass starts to moderate some with temperatures in the upper 40s on Saturday, lower 50s on Sunday. And looks like that system starts to approach for possibly Monday, so could be seeing a shower move in the region late Sunday, but we'll continue to refine that forecast once we get a little closer to the second half of the weekend. But that's going to complete our 10 a.m. daily weather briefing. I hope everybody has a great day today. Back tomorrow morning, 8:15 at 10 a.m.